These are the farms where thousands of salmon fish are raised. Now let's see the complete process, from collecting their eggs to how the fully grown fish reaches your home.
Fish eggs are taken from the female fish and mixed with liquid from the male fish. The eggs are placed in clean water trays where they slowly begin to grow into babies. After hatching, the small fish stay at the bottom of the tank and get energy from their yolk sac. When they start eating food on their own, they are moved to circular tanks to grow. Their color turns slightly silver, which means they are getting ready for seawater.
Joints are secure, flotation rings intact.
The fish are given an injection and checked to make sure they are healthy. Purpose: to protect them from disease in the sea.
Bath is flowing, watch the levels. Fish are schooling well, no stress. Cycle complete, rinsing now. Hold it steady there. Got it, rope coming. Good, now the knot. Generator's ready. Growth rates are up across all ponds, and harvest projections look strong. I'll note the survival improvements.
The fish are cleaned, cut into pieces, and packed and stored in cold storage. Purpose: to make a safe and clean product. The tanks are cleaned for the next batch. Waste is removed from the bottom. Fish are graded according to size. The light schedule is controlled. Oxygen is supplied. Temperature is kept stable. They are transported to sea farms. The nets are cleaned. Oxygen levels are monitored. Growth is tracked. Weather conditions are checked. Stress is kept low. The fish are washed and cleaned. Head and guts are removed. Fillets are made. The fish meat is packed. Finally, it is shipped around the world by cargo ships.